Hola people, welcome back to my channel. I am Siddhi Gupta and I do a lot of things and most of those things are weird. To keep tabs of all those, you have to subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I transformed my messy workplace into a hub of productivity and it looks aesthetic. But besides that, it also helps me boost my creativity and be more productive in my day-to-day assignments and work. So let's get started. The first step is categorizing all the chaos that is there. Everything is chaotic and messy, so I'm starting by sorting the assignments that are not useful to me anymore, but I still want to keep them. So I'm keeping them in a box over here and I'm separating out the stationaries that are still useful and I'll need in the upcoming semester. So these are some of my previous semester assignments and my sketchbooks. Now that everything is finally sorted, I'm going to keep this away from my workspace so that it does not hinder with my day-to-day activities and assignments. For me, this is one of the major parts of decluttering my workspace. And now that the non essentials are gone, we need to arrange the essentials in a manner that we like. To start, I'm going to sort the pens that work and pens that don't work. When you strategically arrange everything into a systematic manner all by yourself, it saves you a lot of valuable time and allows seamless navigation through college projects and assignments and anything that you put your mind to. So, here I am doing that. It was a tedious task, but it's done, and everything else on my table still looks messy and dusty, and it is a mess. So, let's just dust off the past from this area. So now I'm taking everything off the shelves, the table, the drawers, and the cupboards to clean every inch of dust that is there. And these are some of the books that were there on my shelf. The one I'm currently reading is I Am the Mind, and this is some of the ones I have read and my journals. Speaking of journals and pens, restocking supplies is very important. So I have bought two new diaries to write to-do lists and some other things, and also some extra craft and stationery supplies that have evil eye on it. These are tiny cards that you can add to gifts, lunch boxes, and be romantic if you want to. I've just interlocked all these cards together so that I don't lose these. And talking of restocking, blue pens, black pens, pencils, and erasers are a must. After thorough cleaning of the table, which I can do every now and then, I want something new in my workspace because sitting in the same space every single day can get very monotonous for 4 years of college. So I'm redesigning my table with a PVC sticker that has a foam marble effect on it. And why I am doing this is A, it is aesthetically very pleasing, and B, it is a lighter color than the surface of my table previously, which was mahogany wooden color. I feel that a lighter color table will give me more calming effect while I'm working so that I can stay more focused. Moving on to the revamping of the layout of my table, which includes these three boxes that I can never ever throw off my table because it's very comforting. In one, I keep my jewelry, in the second one, I keep my nail paints, and in the third one, I keep miscellaneous craft items that I can need anytime. And in this section, I have added the papers, the colorful papers, ivory sheets, cartridge sheets, and printing papers. Now is finally the time to reveal the look of my table, and it's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous like the pick up at the cone. And here are my pen stands in which I have separated color pencils and color pens. And talking of the shelf that was there, it was very heavy before, so I've cleared everything off and displayed my perfumes over there. And I've kept the books right in front of the table for ease of access. And in the keyboard section, I have kept my sketching pencils and paint plate, to which I'll add colors and paint brushes very soon. Tell me in the comment section below that how did you like the transformation of this table into that table? If you loved this transformation, make sure you tap that like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel.